welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today, let's check out how to make salted Moong Dal Namkeen. Very easy, healthy and crispy recipe. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of moong dal. Make sure you go with good quality of moong dal. To this, add 1 cup of water. Let this sit for 2 hours. It's been 2 hours now. Drain off the water, wash it well and keep it ready. Spread the dal in a muslin cloth. Let this dry for 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes and the dal is nice and dry, so let's go and fry them. Heat sufficient amount of oil in an iron pot. When the oil is nice and hot, add the moong dal in batches. Keep the flame in high throughout the frying process. Fry for 2 minutes until they turn nice and crispy. The oil bubbles have settled and it's nicely fried, so let's now remove them. Likewise, fry all the moong dal and add it to a mixing bowl. To this, add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and toss it well. Make sure the salt is well spread. Now our delicious and super crispy salted Moong Dal Namkeen is ready. You can store this in an air-tight container and enjoy it for 10 days time. Very easy, quick and delicious recipe. So do try this recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.